Today we will make a graduation cap. We will need an empty cereal box, construction paper, Bristol board or cardboard, masking tape, a measuring tape, glue, markers or paint, string or ribbon, a plastic bottle cap, scissors, and a grown-up. This one is important, so make sure you have your grown-up handy. Ask your grown-up to measure around your head with the measuring tape. Then cut 2 strips 3 inches wide out of the cereal box. If you're still eating the cereal, it's okay, I can wait. All done? All right, let's keep going. Join both strips together to make a circle. I used tape, but you can use glue and some patience. Make sure it is big enough to sit comfortably on your head. Now, cut a square out of your Bristol board or cardboard. I used cardboard because I like to recycle. Make sure the square is big enough to cover your head. Pick 2 colors of construction paper. Cover both pieces in whichever colors you like. Tape both pieces together. I like to tape it from the inside. That way, the tape is hidden and it looks neater. Ask your grown-up to poke a hole in the middle of the bottle cap big enough to fit the string or ribbon through it. Before you put the string through the bottle cap, be sure to paint it. You can use a marker too. I used a metallic marker. Set it aside to dry when you are done. Ask your grown-up for help with the tassel. You don't have to make this one. You can always use your imagination to make it even better. I cut 3 strands of my string and tied a knot at one end. Tape one end down on your work surface to keep it in place while you make a braid. I then looped the string around about 6 times and folded it in half. I put it through one end of the braided strand. To keep it in place, I taped this piece down while I cut a shorter piece of string. Pull the shorter string underneath the braid and the folded string. Leave a little space before tying them together. When you tie them together, the top will look round. Finally, cut the ends of the string group to make the tassel. Cut a short piece of string and loop it through the other end of your braid. Put both ends of the short string through the hole in the bottle cap and make a few knots to keep it in place. That was a lot, wasn't it? You can always make a beautiful braid as the tassel for your cap. Glue the bottle cap to the top of your cap. And now we wait until it dries. The final and most important step is to try it on. How does it look? Wow, you guys look amazing. Well done. Now let's celebrate. Congratulations, graduates. Thanks for watching. See you next time, friends.